Hey, it's Monday Motivation with Dr. Trish Leigh. What a gorgeous fall day. And what I want to tell you this week is we are going for progress, not perfection. So I know a lot of people are becoming distraught because they feel like they're not being successful because they're not being perfect in this No Porn November journey, in this challenge. Anything challenging has difficulty with it most times, and there will be times that you stumble or times that you feel like you might stumble. Use them, learn from them. Watch my video on the power of slips. A slip is not a relapse, and I talk to so many people that get so upset because they've relapsed. They haven't relapsed, they've slipped. Learn from that slip. Dissect it, deconstruct it. What were you thinking? What were you feeling? Find the power in it to propel you to make a better choice, a better decision next time. Pivot at the pivot points. You got this. You can do this. And if you get stronger across this month, it is going to help you move into December. And then, of course, it's going to help you move into 2021 just with a better brain, a stronger brain with better activity that is getting fatter and healthier and stronger all along. So you've got this. Progress, not perfection. Go into another week and remember, control your brain or it'll control you.